In this video, we are going to see how we can get all the matched values. Suppose these are server names, these are their drives. Like my server 1 is containing these drives C, D, E, F, and my server 9 is containing these drives as X, Y, Z, and I want to get the drives corresponding to the server which I mentioned over here. So for this, let's go one by one. So if I'll be using this function, if this server list is equal to this server name, then I need to find for these drive letters. Otherwise, if the server name is not matching, then let it be blank. So double quotes. So we get the results as C, D, E, F. Uh, Here we are using the concept of dynamic lists, which is only available in Office 365 or higher versions of Excel. Now function, wrap this thing into, because there are some of the blanks also, I need to separate all these values into by comma, and I also need to remove the blanks over in this. So what I can do is I can just copy this function, cut it from here. So I'm going to switch to this place. I'm going to use this function text join. So I'm going to use comma separator between each of the values like C, comma D, comma E, and I want to ignore empty cells and paste your formula. And here you also need to fix the range here and here. It's telling me to place one more bracket. So it has corrected itself. If I mention here server 9 and I drag this formula from top to the bottom, I get the results. Thanks for watching the video. Hope it was informative.